This is probably the biggest and most expensive house tour that you'll ever see on this channel. I'm so excited to show you this. This is in Trava in Greenfield City. The size and the beauty of this, it's almost like a work of art. The best adjective that you can use is luxury. Ang unang bubungad sa inyo once you enter the property is itong ating stairs. Later natin papakita sa inyo yan. Let's start with the living area. Itong house na to, they sell it lot only. The house is built to give you an idea and kung ano ba yung pwede mo ma-build. Lot costs around 30 million.
Later sa dulo ng video, I will reveal to you how much exactly is this house. You can probably guess that it is very expensive, but there's reason to that. First of all, the house is located at one of the premier development area in Santa Rosa, Laguna, which is yung Greenfield City. And it's around a lot of key areas like shopping centers, schools, hospitals, and even central business districts. The master plan of the whole place is well thought of, and it includes a lot of amenities and facilities like main social hall, gyms, recreation rooms, function rooms, children's pavilion, pool area, dance studios, at marami pang iba. Also designed to be very sustainable, it actually includes solar-powered areas and clubhouse, approximately 45% open space, parks, playgrounds, and tree-lined wide roads, tree-lined pedestrian lane, and a dedicated bike lane.
Everything here is big. This is the whole living area. Of course, you can put however big the TV you have. Ang interesting dito sa buong space is it's very open. Like, ito yung living area, tapos dining na kagad, and then the whole kitchen with the countertops. Diretso, you can go out dun sa parang pinakang lanay niya. According to yung nagme-maintain ng property, ideally may swimming pool siya, maliit na swimming pool, pero medyo mahirap daw i-maintain, so they decided, okay, let's just have a space out there. Personally, I definitely love yung design na very open. Like, from here to outside, open space siya. Instead of having partitions, that makes the place a little bit bigger. More air can come in and out. A lot of big houses have yung high ceiling in the living area. Man, you always put chandeliers on it and proper lighting, so it makes the whole feel of the whole place even bigger. Dito sa baba, meron silang isang room. Could be a guest room, could be for elderly parents na ayaw umakyat sa taas. It's a pretty good size room, not the biggest one. Punta muna tayo dito sa kitchen. So if this is your main kitchen, you'll have dirty kitchen. Yan, spacious pa rin siya. Dito malalagay yung mga oven, yung stoves, and then meron dito laundry area. Diretso ng service area. And then, this is where you'll find all the switches natin, ng mga kuryente natin, breakers, yan. Itong part na to, pwede kang umikot, papunta dun sa may lanay na pinakita ko kanina. And then this one goes to the front door. If you don't know what this is an elevator. They have an elevator sa bahay na to. Yeah, that makes up the main living area. Let's go to the second floor. Wooden yung ating stairs. Welcome to the second floor of the Trava Model House. Let's start here. First thing you'll see on the second floor is this dining table. You can definitely eat here. I'm guessing it's more of a family dinner setup. Sa baba, yun, if you have guests. Pero ito, since it's on the second floor and near your bedrooms, it's another place where you can eat and have a chat. And this gorgeous display area. Yan, you can put your books, your play button. if you're a YouTuber. Awards, you can display here kasi you can accept visitors here. So maganda dito, pagkaakyat mo, if you have like people coming to your house, visitors, you can easily see them through these glass panels. Very safe as well na hanggang ceiling yung glass panels. And then we have this, yung first room natin sa second floor. Most probably for kids or other family members. It's not yet the master. You're following the theme, that modern tropical design. This one has a walk-in closet. A lot of storage, cabinets. A common theme dito sa bahay, they always put sort of artwork sa mga rooms niyan. Very abstract, pero it captures your attention. Yung toilet and bowl niya, this is dito. Yeah, this isn't the biggest CR, pero it's just for this room. Next up, fourth CR. So that one is for the room. This one is for most probably visitors as well. Another powder room. Instead of making the CRs bigger, they just have more CRs. I'd say this is another family area sa second floor. You can hang out with your friends. It's another TV. This one has an access to the balcony. If you're like me, this is a place I will hang out a lot. This place still under development. Ilan pa lang yung mga bahay dito. Next part of the house is the third living area, I guess. Well, this is the master's bedroom, actually. So, the master's bedroom includes its own living room. Ganun siya kalaki. Here you go. This is your master's bedroom. It has access to the balcony. It's a big space. But here's the highlight of the room. You got the biggest bathroom in the house. Big walk-in closet. Pakita mo to dahil love na love to ng mga ladies, of course. This is how big the CR for your master bedroom. Last and final spot I want to show you is the third floor, but this is very small. It will be a very useful space. It could be an office, it could be playroom, anything you wanted. Has access to very small garden where you can see a view of the whole place here. That's the whole house. I'll give you my final thoughts about it. Most of us, like sana all. So far, this is the most expensive and the biggest house that I've featured in this channel.
And finally, as promised, we are going to reveal how much exactly is this property. As I mentioned earlier, they're only selling the lot, which is for 30 million. But this model house, which was built to show you what's possible, is actually 45 million for a whopping grand total of 75 million pesos. I know that's a lot, but I think it's justified by all the other things that you can get if you actually avail this kind of house. Of course, it's a premier residential development, boasts a lot of unparalleled features and amenities, and if you're someone who's really looking for that suburban living which is sustainable and can promote and improve the quality of life, then of course it comes with a price, and Trava has all of that to offer. Again, if you're someone like me who's really looking for inspiration, dreaming of one day you'll get a house like this, then definitely just by looking at it and seeing what's possible will help us get inspired and dream bigger for you and your family. And once again, my name is Lester, and thank you for watching this house tour, and see you in the next video.